Hello students, today we are going to cover two topics. First one is Boolean indexing in data frame, and second one will be concatenating two data frame or merging two data frame into third data frame. So first of all we will see Boolean indexing. Why we use Boolean indexing? Boolean indexing is only for the purpose of selecting data from data frame on the basis of true and false method. So first we will see one example. What is Boolean indexing? So Boolean indexing data frame. For this I will take one data so this is our data and this is dictionary. First we will try to convert this dictionary into data frame. For that we have to write df equal to td dot data frame and we want to make this dictionary 1 into data frame. So write this one and print df so that it will show you this data frame output. So our dictionary name is DICT1. Spelling mistake is there, that's why error is coming. Now we'll see that one data frame created from dictionary with roll number and name. Now I want to give this index as true false method. So I'll write index equal to how many students? 5 students are there, 5 names are there. So we'll write like this: true, false, true, false, true. Now we'll run this one. So you can see that here index have been changed into true and false. So this is called Boolean indexing. What is this? Index is in the form of true and false, T and F. So this is called Boolean indexing. Now what is the purpose of Boolean indexing? So purpose of Boolean indexing is to find out the data from data frame on the basis of this index. So how we can write this? So we will write, suppose we want to print all records whose index values are true. So we will write print df dot loc function is there to locate the records loc, and I will write here true. So print all those records which are which are having index value true. So we'll run and see what is the problem. Okay, so problem is we have to give this value in the form of list. So this and this, and here we have to change this. So this was the error, and it will be TRUE true, like this you have to write. And now you can see this. You can see here the only records are coming in output which has index value is true. So similarly you can find out all those records which has index value are false. So for that, what you will do, you can give simply if a false, so it will give this only those value which is having index value as false. So this is the concept of Boolean indexing. This index is given as Boolean values. Boolean values are called true and false values. If you want to change this index in different form, so you can give like this. Okay, you can give index value 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, like this, and here data frame will be closed. So now again index value changed. You can see here what is error. Error is we are printing the index value which is not available. That's why this one is coming like this. So if you see this is again having new index value which I have provided in the program here. So index value, if it is in the form of true and false, then it is called Boolean indexing. Next one is concatenating data frame. Concatenating data frame. For this I will take two example. One is this one, and this one, and one more dictionary I will take from other program, similar type of dictionary. So this one, so you can see here two dictionary are there with roll number and name fields, and both are both are having different roll numbers and name. So, if we want to convert this dictionary into data frame, so we will write df1 equal to pd dot data frame and first one is dict1. So, this one, second one I will write df2 data frame 2 equal to pd dot df data frame dictionary 2 dict2. Here also we will change dict2 because two dictionary cannot be same. So, now if you print this one, print df1 and print df2, so you can see output here. Error is there. What error? Indentation problem. So, this one already you know. Indentation problem is all the lines will be in aligned way. If you are using loop and all, then you have to change the indentation, otherwise it should be at same line. So, here you can see two dictionary has been changed into two data frame, first one and this is second one, both are having same different roll numbers and names. Now, we want to merge this two data frame into third data frame, that is we are going to concatenate these two data frame into third data frame. So, now we are going to merge these two data frame into third data frame. For that we will delete this one, we will write data frame 3 df3 equal to pd dot concat is function, and in this we will give all the data frame which we want to merge or add or concat. So, we have two data frame df1 and df2 and we want to merge row wise. So, we will row wise means one row after another row, next below that row, next row, again next row, like that, one after another row will come. For that you have to write axis equal to 0. So, it will convert row wise and print df3 to see the result. Run this. So, here we are able to see this first data frame just above the second data frame. So, they have been merged, they have been concatenated row wise. If you want to merge side by side, that is column wise, for that you have to write what? Axis equal to 1. That's all. Then it will be merged as like this. So, here we are able to see one data frame is coming after another data frame, and this is called concatenating of two data frame. So for that, for today's video, this much only. We will see another topics in next video. So that till then, thank you very much.